Atomic Habits by James Clear. Introduction. James Clear's Atomic Habits is a powerful guide to building good habits, breaking bad ones, and mastering the small behaviors that lead to remarkable results. The book argues that success is the result of small, daily improvements rather than one-time radical changes. By understanding how habits work and implementing effective habit-forming techniques, individuals can shape their identity and create long-lasting positive changes. The Science of Habits. Clear introduces the habit loop, a cycle that all habits follow. Cue. The trigger that initiates the habit. Craving. The desire that motivates the behavior. Response. The action or habit itself. Reward. The benefit that reinforces the habit. By modifying any of these 4 steps, habits can be altered or replaced. Why small changes matter. Clear emphasizes the concept of marginal gains, small 1% improvements that compound over time. This approach was famously used by British cycling coach Dave Brailsford, who transformed the team by optimizing tiny details. Similarly, consistent micro-improvements in life and work create exponential long-term success. Improving by just 1% each day results in being 37 times better in a year. The 4 laws of behavior change. First law. Make it obvious you can't change what you don't notice. Implementation intentions. Instead of vague goals, use "I will" at time and location to increase follow-through. Habit stacking. Attach new habits to existing ones. After I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 1 minute. Environment design. Restructure surroundings to trigger good habits and remove bad ones. If you want to drink more water, place water bottles where you see them. Second law. Make it attractive. We repeat behaviors that are rewarding and avoid those that aren't. Pair a necessary habit with a fun one. Only watch Netflix while running on the treadmill. Surround yourself with people who embody your desired habits. Dopamine-driven feedback loops. Reward yourself immediately after completing a habit. Instead of "I have to work out," say "I get to improve my health." Third law. Make it easy. Reduce friction. Make good habits effortless and bad habits hard. The 2-minute rule. Every habit should start small. Read 1 page instead of read for an hour. Reduce steps. Make it easier to do good habits. Keep gym clothes ready. Automate good behaviors. Use auto payments for savings, meal prep for healthy eating, etc. Example. Want to read more? Leave books in visible spots. Fourth law. Make it satisfying. What is immediately rewarded is repeated. Use a habit tracker. Track progress visually to stay motivated. Never miss twice. If you skip a habit, restart the next day to avoid negative momentum. Create instant rewards. Give yourself small rewards for completing habits. Use a calendar to mark workout days. Seeing the streak motivates consistency. Instead of focusing on goals, focus on who you want to become. Outcome-based thinking. I want to run a marathon. Identity-based thinking. I am a runner. The most effective way to change habits is to focus on who you wish to become, not just what you want to achieve. Every action is a vote for the person you want to be. The more votes you cast, the stronger the identity becomes. The power of systems over goals. You do not rise to the level of your goals. you fall to the level of your systems. Why goals alone don't work. Winners and losers have the same goals. What differentiates them is consistent habits. Achieving a goal is temporary. You must develop systems for long-term success. Goals can limit happiness. If happiness is tied to a goal, you won't feel fulfilled until you reach it. Goals don't drive progress. Focusing on the process leads to sustainable improvement. If your goal is to get fit, but you don't build a system of exercising daily, you'll revert to old habits after reaching your target. Breaking bad habits. Clear applies the 4 laws in reverse to eliminate bad habits. Make it invisible. Keep junk food out of sight. Make it unattractive. Associate bad habits with negative consequences. Make it difficult. Add friction, e.g., delete social media apps. Make it unsatisfying. Create accountability, e.g., tell a friend to check on you. Want to stop checking your phone? Leave it in another room when working. Advanced strategies for mastering habits. The Goldilocks Rule. Stay in the zone. The best way to maintain motivation is to work on tasks that are neither too easy nor too hard. Challenging but achievable. Example: if learning a language, don't just study words you know. Gradually push difficulty while maintaining success. The role of accountability. Having an accountability partner increases habit success. Publicly committing to habits boosts adherence. Join a workout group or make a commitment contract. Final thoughts. Tiny habits equal massive impact. Small, consistent changes lead to exponential growth. Focus on systems rather than goals. Identity-based habits are more sustainable than outcome-based habits. Good habits compound over time. Bad habits do too. Core message: your habits define who you are. Shape them wisely, and success will